Delicious Canadian prime rib is easier to make at home than you think. AAA prime rib has built-in flavor for marbling and delivers tender eating. Buy it with a cap off so you have less waste and more lean meat. A bone-in roast means you have a built-in roasting rack. Place it bone side down in a shallow roasting pan. This simple preparation starts with garlic, cut into slivers. I use a sharp paring knife to help slip the garlic just under the surface of the roast to infuse it with garlicky flavor. Using a digital cooking probe thermometer is the best way to ensure my roast comes out perfect every time. I'll start by oven searing my roast in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'll make a delicious herbed and mustard mixture to give this roast some extra love. Spread it over the entire roast. Now, turn the oven down to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and put the roast back in to cook until your thermometer tells you it's done. To figure out exactly what temperature you need your roast to be to suit your preferred doneness, check out the Roundup app. It's loaded with info on how to cook all the cuts of beef and plenty of recipe inspiration. When your roast is done cooking, remove it from the oven and tent it loosely for at least 15 minutes, although 30 minutes is even better, especially for a larger roast. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, bone-in prime rib.